afternoon from Thirlmere, more specifically in Thirlmere. And I've got wellies on, I'll be safe, got a tiny bit of water over the top. I thought, in for a penny, let's go for it. So I'm just below my nether regions, and it's a tad chilly, but I just could not resist that. I really could not. It's getting better. You've got the light just sweeping across the side of the hillside, and it's illuminating all them trees. Look at that lovely band of light. When I've been here before, and I've been here several times with various people, the water itself must have been about 10 meters out there, because I've got some photographs where there's 10 meters of land. The only way to get this photograph today was to get my feet wet or bring my waders. Oh, it's coming in both sides now. I'm having a moment. It's coming in both sides. So I've got my camera set up. I am at f13, 20th of a second. I've got the polariser on, and I'm going to do fully polarised and no polarisation, because the actual reeds, or the base of the reeds, is not very photogenic, as you'll see. It's awful, if I'm honest. So I may actually retain the reflection on the water. So camera's levelled off, manually focused, a third of the way in, f13, 20th of a second. I have bracketed it because, to be honest, I've got so many things in my hand at the moment without worrying about filters, although I have got my 6 and 9 stop in my pocket, so I must remember not to sit down or bend over. Right. Yeah, a little overexposed, so I'll change it to, I'll do it 30th of a second. So I've got I'm metering from the sky, so I've put it 1 stop overexposed. Let's have a look. Much better. So I'm just going to depolarize it. There you go, a bit more, there you go. So it's completely depolarized, if that's the word. Flip the screen out again. That light is changing so fast. I'm going to have to go a bit faster. I'm going to try 50th of a second. I've got 3-shot bracket because I'm not messing this up, having got hypothermia. Much better, I think even the correctly exposed photograph is looking good. Yeah, as nice as that. If these reeds, that is bright. If the reeds weren't here, would not work at all, because you'd have huge water, even though I'm low down, so the actual amount of water is much reduced. It wouldn't work as good. I mean, it's not particularly photogenic foreground interest, but it is there, and it's quite a minimal graphic feel to it. It's just basically stalks sticking up. And there's nothing to get behind you. Oh, it's freezing. So I'm going to put on the, so professional, not the 10 stop, I'll put on the 6 stop. So 40th of a second, with a 6 stop should be, I'll go for around, I'll have a hazard at 10 seconds. How clever am I? 2.3. Yeah, well. So that'll be 2.5, 1.25 and 5 seconds with the 3-shot brackets. I don't think that's going to be enough. Oh, should have brought me the tripod. Don't think that's going to be enough. Stop it is. Yeah, the 10 stops giving 20 seconds. So that'll be 10, 20 and 40 with a 1-stop increments on the HDR settings. I'm probably going to take a couple more from a bit low down. I'm going to sign off there from here. This guy's getting better and better and better. I'll sign off there. I'm going to have another 10 minutes in here, then it's home time. See ya. So they're the reeds I was talking about. Absolutely amazing view. You've got small little foreground interest at the bottom right hand corner and the valley sweeping down to a very narrow section towards the middle and the hills in the background. It's freezing. Again, I've had it polarised and I've had it unpolarised. I prefer the unpolarised because the grasses below aren't photogenic at all, and I rarely use a polariser to add sheen. On this occasion I think it works quite well. Again, I've not done any panoramas, mainly because there's too much water in the scene. If there was more of these reeds I might consider it. Yeah, so I have finished. You know why we do it. You know why we do this. Anyway, I'll see you. Oh, gee, God. Right.